Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Supra versus a Bugatti. We'll explore what makes each car unique, from their performance capabilities to their price points. Understanding these differences will help you decide which vehicle aligns best with your automotive desires. Let's dive into the details and see how these two incredible machines stack up against each other. When it comes to raw power, a Bugatti typically features an engine with over 1,000 horsepower, allowing for incredible acceleration and top speeds. The Toyota Supra, while still very potent, offers around 382 horsepower from its turbocharged engine. This makes the Supra a fantastic choice for spirited driving and track days, while a Bugatti is engineered for unparalleled hypercar performance and luxury. The price difference between these two vehicles is substantial. A new Toyota Supra typically starts around $55,000, making it a relatively accessible sports car. In contrast, a Bugatti can command a price tag of several $1,000,000, placing it in an exclusive luxury segment. This vast difference extends to maintenance and insurance, with the Supra being far more budget-friendly for everyday enthusiasts. Ultimately, the better car depends entirely on your personal preferences and what you seek in a vehicle. The Supra offers an exhilarating, hands-on driving experience perfect for those who love to modify and push their cars. A Bugatti delivers unmatched prestige, speed, and luxury, a true automotive masterpiece. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Consider your budget and driving goals to make the best choice for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.